Adrian here from RealAbundance, and today I'm super excited to share this incredible opportunity. 77 Prince Edward Street is a legal 2-unit property that sits on almost a half-acre lot filled with potential. Come check it out.
I push up on this funk and give me miracles. Making known how we love to ride is something we control. Screaming, I testify this loving. Screaming, I testify that we'll survive and test the time. They can't deny our love. They can't divide us. We'll survive and test the time. I promise I'll be.
As you can see, this basement apartment features plenty of light and high-end finishes throughout. This, of course, attracts a quality tenant, which means if you're a savvy first-time buyer or downsizer, you can really benefit from that additional income. Also, we are situated on a double lot. Most of the heavy lifting has already been completed for the severance. So if you have an idea for a multi-unit investment property or maybe a vision for a dream home, this could be your lot to build it on.